Socializing 86. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on a great problem society is facing, namely, the spread of fake news within society. One can imagine how difficult this is to control, especially in this time of social media. It is therefore important for Muslims to act on the following verse of the Holy Quran, and not spread information to others, even if they believe they are benefiting others by doing so, without verifying the information first. Meaning, they should ensure it comes from a reliable source and is accurate. Chapter 49 Al-Hujurat, verse 6.
O you who have believed, if there comes to you a disobedient one with information, investigate, lest you harm a people out of ignorance and become, over what you have done, regretful.
Even though this verse indicates a wicked person spreading news, it can still apply to all people which share information with others. As mentioned in this verse, a person may believe they are helping others, but by spreading unverified information, they might harm others instead, such as emotional harm. Unfortunately, many Muslims are heedless to this, and have a habit of simply forwarding information through text messages and social media applications without verifying it. In cases where the information is connected to religious matters, it is even more important to verify the information before spreading it, as one may get punished for the actions of others based on the incorrect information they provided them. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2351. In addition, with everything that is going on in the world and how it is affecting Muslims, it is even more important to verify information, as warning others over things which did not happen only creates distress in society and furthers the rift between Muslims and other communities. This contradicts Islamic teachings. A Muslim needs to understand that Allah, the Exalted, will not question why they did not share unverified information with others on Judgment Day. But He will certainly question them if they do share information with others, whether it is verified or not. Therefore, an intelligent Muslim will only share verified information, and anything which is not verified, they will leave, knowing they will not be held accountable for it. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.